of Hurricane Irma and Hurricane Jose. Both systems are going to impact the United States. So this is where basically the ensemble is going to show that Jose is going to be. So you have a high pressure system to the east, and you have the remnants of Irma to the west. And if you look closely, you can almost see that it kind of wants to shift the system into the coast. But I'm going to show you the operational run of the GFS, which looks extremely scary. Yeah, if that doesn't look scary to you, I don't know what is. I mean, that's really scary. Yeah, so you're going to have a hurricane right off the coast of New York City. But this is a very long time out. This is a very long way out. But look at this. Northeast. Well, actually, Mid-Atlantic is a better one to look at. So I'm currently looking at Irma right now as well. So the hurricane is really wrapping itself up now. I'm going to look at the recon right now for Hurricane Irma. Pressures are down to 931 millibars. So the Hurricane Hunter is going back around. They're trying to avoid flying into Cuba because as we have the mountainous terrains. I don't know if it has to do with, they're trying to keep out of Cuba's airspace, but maybe they just want to avoid the mountainous terrains or that. Because they often fly into Cuba, or fly over Cuba, as we don't prevent. Cuba, I think, allows our airliners to fly there. We have some flights going to Cuba still, just a few of them. So yeah, pressures are definitely down. Okay, let's look at Jose. This is the storm that could impact the United States. Pressures dropped from 946 to 945. So it's still cranking. Still definitely a cranking storm. It's still a Cat 4. So Jose at this point, yeah, see that it's still it looks very small but very powerful. Looks like it really wants to hang on to its strength. Yeah, you still got a Cat 4. You have 130 mile an hour winds. And looks like it's not going to weaken to a Category 1 as initially thought. Because earlier they were saying Cat 1, but now they're saying it's only going to become a Cat 2. And yeah, the ensemble members are definitely shifting west. This is the 18Z1. Some of them do go out to sea, see that, but some of them go inland. That's a big problem. So see, this is initiated at 8 p.m. This is the 18Z1. So now I'm going to look at the GFS ensemble, see if there's anything different. Looks like this one might actually be out to sea more. And I hope that's the case because I really don't want to see that happen. Let's see how. Yep, looks like it is going out to sea. So we in fact might have an out to sea track. So you're gonna have a high here. So it looks like it kind of may want to stall in and go out. That's what I'm thinking is going to happen. So I think it will end up going out to sea. This means it's going to stall. See how that's hinting it might stall. See, most of them do in fact go out to sea. Only a couple of them, such as ensemble member 6 and 7, actually strike the East Coast. And ensemble member 1 actually tries to go into New England, but ensemble member 2 goes out to sea. 3 likes to go out to sea as well. 4 might be another out to sea track. Yep, 4 is going out to sea. See this low right here? So 4 might be going out to sea. 5 is going out to sea. 6 and 7 is the only one that's not going out. 9 might be hooking in. 11 might be hooking. 11 is also going out. So it looks like it's going to be a little bit further east. Almost in the same position. In the last run, we had about, let's see, we had only about 1 or 2 systems that actually made landfall. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, about 8, almost 8, making landfall in the United States. Well, here it's 1, 2. So ensemble member 1 does in fact hit the East Coast. It looks like 4 will be hitting the East Coast. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's like about 8 members hitting the East Coast. Almost the same amount as last time. Here we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's about 7, I guess. So that's going to be 1. So that's going to be 2. We have 2 now. 3, 4, 5, 6. and then 7. So same amount. That's why it's hard to forecast sometimes. Even though the operational is showing a strike like this, the ensembles are not exactly showing that. This is leading me to believe that we might actually escape the storm. And we might get a fortunate miss for the Northeast. Both, we missed out on Irma because Irma was also supposed to go up the East Coast, and we might miss out on Jose, which means the Northeast might get a spare. But looking at once again, taking another look at Hurricane Irma, it's still moving northwest. It looks like it wants to hit the Keys full on. So we look at the Miami Terminal Doppler weather radar, which will show us if there are any tornadic thunderstorms coming in. Looks like this cell might have some rotation with it. Yep, here's eye wall of Key West. Here it is, Irma. Looks like it's starting to move this way now. It changes bearings now. Yep. So a tornado watch in effect for areas east of Marathon, east of Key West. So this is going up to Melbourne. No tornado warnings, but you have hurricane warnings in effect. Atlanta is actually under tropical storm watch, which is historic hurricane statement in Atlanta. Unbelievable. A tropical storm watch. Unbelievable. Never before. Oh my God, look at this. Do I see DeKalb there? I might even see Gwinnett. Gwinnett is where my uncle's from. No Gwinnett. It was 70 miles an hour. Damn, this definitely doesn't look good. Well, thank you for watching. Have a great day, and I'll make another video as soon as I can.